Okay, just off the Santana River Trail, coming to Talbert Park, there's a City of Costa Mesa bike path. Goes to Fairview, Estancia, Orange Coast. Okay, along Tanager, and there's a bike trail here. Never been on. It parallels the 10th fairway of Costa Mesa, Los Lagos. It looks like it ends up near Harbor. Okay, the bike path comes to the end at Harbor, and they've got a nice signal crossing and a sidewalk that is now the bike path. Take it down to Coast Community College, Vanguard College. Well, I can see the fairgrounds up ahead. On the perimeter of the fairgrounds, there's a nice bike path. Parallels the 55 freeway. There's just opening at 11 o'clock, about 45 minutes. Okay, more instructions from the Costa Mesa bike path. College Park that way, downtown, Lions Park, and then the Back Bay. It's less than a mile. This is a nice view of the Back Bay. Ooh, did you see that fish jump? At the end of the Back Bay, oh, there's a bunch of them. Jumping fish. The end of the Back Bay where San Diego Creek Trail starts, and the Back Bay Trail sort of in the middle of it. Interesting. Are they jumping for joy? They're jumping for something. They're all over the place.